registry dahil ito ba'y nagpapatunay na kung saan ho kayo, sino kayo, saan kayo, talagang Pilipino kayo at kung ano pa pong impormasyon. Siguro ang pinakamalaking issue na hinaharap po natin, ito pong national ID natin na hanggang ngayon hindi pa patapos-tapos.
Conducted this in our Malcolm Square now with the objective to really bring closer to the community ang civil registration services natin, like yung mga registration ng birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificate, or vital records. At talagang gusto natin na ibigay natin ang mga services, not only waiting for clients to come to our office, but we go to the community, we go to our plaza like Malcolm Square, and we invite everyone to come and avail of the services being offered, because lahat po ng mga other offices like PSA, PhilHealth, Health Services Office, Legal Office, Social Services Office, nandito sila lahat para magbigay din ng mga services nila.
Check na ito is in line with the Civil Registration Month, the 35th Civil Registration Month. Ang theme natin dito for this year is building a resilient, agile, and future-fit civil registration and vital statistics system. So, ang aim namin dito ay maipabot ang importansya ng civil registration sa ating mga constituents.
I'm at my age. This is the first time na ganito ako, and I appreciate it. I love it. Very, very accommodating lahat. And grateful ako talaga.
Maganda kayong government initiative na to kasi makakatulong sa mga taong wala pang national ID. Like kagaya ko, wala akong time na magpagawa ng national ID. So, pagpunta ko dito, at least alam kong merong paggawa ng national ID. So, kunin ko na yung opportunity. Kasi meron malalayo pa yung mga lugar pagpagawa ng national ID sa akin. So, okay tong initiative na to.